Everyone has seen a bulldozer at some point in their lives, and they help serve a crucial role in construction, mining, forestry, and land management. These machines are designed to cut, trim, mulch, and maintain all kinds of grass and outdoor spaces. But the question is, just how efficient and versatile can lawn mowers actually get? Well, like any outdoor maintenance task, a lawn mower can be as innovative and effective as the job demands. Which means the more challenging the project, the bigger and more powerful bulldozer. When it comes to the world of heavy machinery, size and power matter. The Liebherr PR 726 Generation 8 stands at the lower end of what we consider medium-sized bulldozers. But don't let that fool you. This powerful machine delivers exceptional performance for its size class. Featuring an innovative hydrostatic drive system that provides precise control even in challenging terrain. With an operating weight of 41,447 pounds and powered by a 177 horsepower diesel engine, the PR 726 offers both power and precision. With its 3.5 cubic meter blade capacity, its efficient engine delivers impressive power while meeting the latest emission standards, making it a forward-thinking choice for an environmentally conscious operation. B&O, a major player in the heavy equipment industry, offers several noteworthy bulldozers, including the BEML BD65, which combines robust construction with versatility. Weighing in at 35,054 pounds with a 155 horsepower engine, the BD65 provides solid value and performance. The BEML D80A8 and its upgraded counterpart, the D80A12, deliver exceptional pushing power and are particularly well suited for mining applications. These larger models weigh in at 41,667 to 43,872 pounds with 183 to 199 horsepower. These machines feature reinforced undercarriages that can withstand the harsh conditions of mining sites. The Liegong CLG B230 brings Chinese engineering excellence to the bulldozer market. While full specs are not widely available, this dozer is estimated to weigh around 48,000 to 50,000 pounds, placing it at the upper end of the small to medium range. It's built with a focus on reliability and ease of maintenance, two critical factors for operations in remote locations. Its powerful engine and well-balanced design allow it to handle significant earth-moving challenges, while providing the operator with excellent visibility and control. The XCMG SD7N is an impressive machine that's gaining popularity in construction and mining applications worldwide. Weighing approximately 55,556 pounds, it's one of the largest machines in the compact to small-medium category, approaching the size of some full-fledged medium dozers. XCMG has invested heavily in advanced manufacturing processes, resulting in a bulldozer that combines strength with precision. The SD7N's blade control system allows for exceptionally accurate grading, making it suitable for both rough pushing and finish work. The Shantui DA17 represents the company's commitment to quality and durability, with an operating weight of 40,344 pounds and a powerful 210 horsepower Cummins engine. This bulldozer can push through difficult material while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. Its blade capacity of 3.8 cubic meters provides ample material moving capabilities, and its climate-controlled cab provides operators with comfort during long shifts, boosting productivity in all weather conditions. XCMG's offerings in this category also include the TY160, of which feature advanced electronic controls that optimize performance based on the specific task at hand. The TY160 weighs 34,833 pounds with a 160 horsepower engine. These bulldozers automatically adjust engine output and hydraulic pressure to maximize efficiency, without sacrificing power, resulting in lower operating costs and extended component life. Shantui's SD16 is renowned for its reliability and has become a common sight on construction sites around the world. Weighing in at 36,160 pounds with a 160 horsepower engine. The SD16 offers a blade capacity of 3.2 cubic meters. Its forestry variant, the SD16F, features additional protective plating and specialized attachments for timber operations, or operations focused on reducing emissions. The SD17EX features a 200 horsepower motor and a blade capacity of 3.5 cubic meters, providing an eco-friendly alternative for job sites with emission restrictions. SEM 816 and SEM 822 round out the company's offerings in this category. With each model optimized for slightly different applications. Weighing 33,730 to 35,274 pounds with blade capacities around 2.9 to 3.1 cubic meters. The SEM 816 excels in general construction work, while the slightly larger SEM 822 is better suited for mining and heavy earth-moving tasks. The Komatsu D51 series represents some of the most technologically advanced bulldozers in the mid-range category. The D51 EX24 and D51 EX24 models feature different track configurations to suit various ground conditions, with the PX version offering wider tracks for improved flotation on soft ground. Weighing around 30,000 pounds and featuring a 131 horsepower engine. The D51 EX24 has a blade capacity of 2.7 cubic meters. While the D51 PX24 provides higher ground clearance. What truly sets these machines apart are their intelligent variants. The Shantui SD13 delivers reliable performance in a compact yet powerful package. With an operating weight of 29,300 pounds and a 132 horsepower engine. The SD13 offers a blade capacity of 2.4 cubic meters. Its well-balanced design makes it particularly effective for creating and maintaining haul roads in mining operations, while its size allows it to work in more confined spaces than its larger siblings. The SD13's visibility from the cab is exceptional, giving operators a clear view of the blade edges for precise control. KADC offers impressive options with the 1,150 liters and 1,150 M models. Often classified at the boundary between small and medium dozers, these machines punch above their weight class in terms of pushing capability, with operating weights around 28,000 pounds and 127 horsepower engines. These machines offer a step up in power and capability with blade capacities of 2.8 cubic meters. The M-Series upgrades include improved hydraulics and more comfortable operator stations compared to the L-Series predecessors. KAZ's attention to serviceability means that daily maintenance points are easily accessible, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. The Liebherr PR 716 is available in both Generation 8 and Generation 6 configurations. with the newer Generation 8 incorporating the latest advancements in operator comfort and fuel efficiency. Weighing 29,321 pounds with a 134 horsepower engine, the PR 716 features Liebherr's EE controls and a hydrostatic travel drive for excellent maneuverability. Both versions utilize Liebherr's advanced hydrostatic drive system, providing infinite speed control without shifting gears. This translates to smoother operation and reduced operator fatigue during long shifts. K's continues its strong showing with the 850M. The 850M weighs in at 24,466 pounds with 112 horsepower and offers a generous 2.5 cubic meter blade capacity. The upgraded M series features improved cooling systems that allow these bulldozers to operate efficiently even in extreme heat, making them popular choices for operations in desert environments. The Komatsu D39 series includes the D39 EX24 and D39 PX24 models, along with regional variant D39EX. Weighing in at 21,848 pounds and 22,774 pounds respectively. These machines feature a 105 horsepower engine and Komatsu's Tier 4 final technology for reduced emissions. The D39 EX24 offers a bit more blade capacity at 2.2 cubic meters compared to the D39 PX24's 2.1 cubic meters. These machines feature Komatsu's hydrostatic transmission system, which provides smooth power delivery and excellent fuel efficiency. The palm control steering system reduces operator fatigue during long shifts, while the super slant nose design gives operators an unobstructed view of the blade for precise work. The John Deere 650P tier represents the latest evolution in Deere's bulldozer lineup, featuring improved hydraulics and more intuitive controls compared to its predecessors, the 650K and 650J models. With 104 horsepower and an operating weight of 22,517 pounds, the 650 offers a blade capacity of 2.2 cubic meters. The P-tier designation brings with it a focus on precision and productivity, with electronic systems that help operators work more efficiently. These machines excel in residential development and commercial construction. Caterpillar's D3 continues the company's legacy of building reliable, versatile machines. With an operating weight of 22,439 pounds and 104 horsepower, the D3 offers a step up in power and capability from the smaller D1 and D2 models. This model replaced the D5K and D5K2, incorporating lessons learned from those earlier designs while adding modern technology for improved performance. The D3's dual-path hydrostatic transmission provides independent power to each track, allowing for exceptionally smooth turns and precise positioning, making it particularly valuable for finish grading, where accuracy is essential. KAZ's 750M is another solid contender in this size class, weighing in at 19,433 pounds with 92 horsepower. The 750M offers a bit more blade capacity than the Deere 550 at 2.1 cubic meters. The 750M and its predecessor, the 750 liters, feature KAZ's distinctive C-frame design, which provides excellent stability during pushing operations, while maintaining good visibility to the blade edges. The M series upgrades include a redesigned cab with improved ergonomics and visibility, reducing operator fatigue during long shifts and enabling more precise work. The CAT D2 represents Caterpillar's refined approach to small dozer design, incorporating technologies once found only on larger machines. weighing 18,960 pounds with 92 horsepower. It builds upon the success of its predecessors, the D4K and D4K2, with improvements to visibility, control systems, and overall efficiency. The D2's blade response is exceptionally smooth, allowing operators to perform delicate finish work with confidence. Its compact size belies its capabilities. The Shantui D808 stands out as one of the smallest hydrostatic bulldozers commonly used in construction applications. This 8-ton hydrostatic drive dozer is one of the smallest models in Shantui's lineup, popular in the Chinese market, with a Cummins 70 horsepower engine. The D808 is a capable yet economical choice. Its precise control system makes it particularly valuable for detailed grading work around foundations and in confined urban construction sites. The hydrostatic drive eliminates the need for manual gear shifting, allowing operators to focus entirely on blade positioning and ground engagement. Caterpillar's D1 is the company's smallest dozer, weighing in at 17,179 pounds with 80 horsepower. The D1 features CAT's new operator assist technology, like slope indicate and stable blade, to help less experienced operators achieve optimal results. This model evolved from the D3K and D3K2, incorporating customer feedback and technological improvements with each iteration. The D1's elevated sprocket design raises the drive components above the work area, reducing exposure to abrasive materials and extending undercarriage life. A significant advantage in applications like landfill work, where debris can quickly wear out traditional designs. Moving up in size, we have the CAC 650M. This 74 horsepower dozer has an operating weight of 16,405 pounds and a blade capacity of 1.6 cubic meters. The 650M's hydrostatic drive and load sensing hydraulics provide smooth, responsive control. Its predecessor, the CAC 650 liters, offers similar capabilities in a slightly older package. Both feature KAC's distinctive cab-forward design, which improves visibility to the blade while maintaining excellent stability during pushing operations. When it comes to compact bulldozers, the Struck Mini Dozer MD-96K is about as small as they come, weighing in at just 1,960 pounds. This mini dozer is designed for tight spaces and precision work. Despite its size, the MD-96K still packs a punch with a 19 horsepower Kubota diesel engine and a 4-way blade for versatility. This ultra-compact machine is designed for residential and small-scale landscaping projects. The MD-96K can access backyard spaces that would otherwise require manual labor. Another compact powerhouse is the Struck Magnetric MH-4900. This track crawler weighs 4,900 pounds and features a 49 horsepower Dozers diesel engine. The MH-4900's hydraulic 6-way blade and optional rear ripper make it a versatile choice for small-scale earth-moving and landscaping projects. This machine bridges the gap between true mini dozers and the smallest conventional construction models, making it ideal for jobs that require more power than an MD-96K and provide but still demand the maneuverability of a compact machine. Residential contractors particularly appreciate the MH-4900's ability to work in established neighborhoods without damaging existing landscaping. From the biggest commercial models to the most compact and convenient designs, Lawn mowers come in all shapes and sizes to tackle the most challenging yard maintenance needs. These versatile machines have revolutionized the way we care for, maintain, and perfect our outdoor spaces. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more impressive and capable lawn mowers in the future, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of lawn care equipment. So the next time you see a lawn mower in action, take a moment to appreciate the precision, efficiency, and innovation that goes into these incredible machines. What do you think the future holds for lawn mowers? Will we see even more powerful and feature-packed models, or will the focus shift to smarter, greener, and more autonomous mowing solutions?